Although the Spartan mindset is a way of harnessing human strength such as endurance, the will to win, balance in matters of life and death, and the cold clarity of competition, it must be said that these traits are not the exclusive domain of mankind. In the raw, brutal theater of nature, there are beasts whose existence could teach even the most hardened warriors a lesson in resilience and ferocity. Perhaps no creature on Earth embodies the Spartan mindset more purely than the honey badger. Found across the harsh landscapes of South Africa and beyond, the honey badger, Mellivora capensis, stands as living proof that indomitable will and fearless spirit are forces of nature in their own right. At first glance, the honey badger is an unassuming figure, low to the ground, stocky, and relatively small compared to the apex predators that roam the savannas and forests. It would be easy to underestimate it, and many do. They do so at their peril. The honey badger does not recognize fear, nor does it accept defeat. Lions, leopards, hyenas, animals that dominate the food chain, have all found themselves bested or humiliated by this savage little warrior. Pound for pound, the honey badger may be the most fearless animal alive, and its exploits in the wild are a testament to the principles that once forged Spartans into legends. The honey badger fights with a ferocity disproportionate to its size, refusing to retreat even when faced with opponents 10 times its weight. It strikes with explosive force, uncoiling like a coiled spring, biting, clawing, and tearing without hesitation. Its skin is so thick and so loose that even if a lion sinks its teeth into it, the honey badger can twist inside its own flesh to counterattack, a natural-born grappler who refuses to be pinned. In ancient Sparta, it was said that warriors must just be strong, but able to think under pressure, to react when wounded, to adapt when cornered. The honey badger lives this reality every day. But physical toughness alone is not what makes the honey badger a creature of the Spartan mindset. It is also fiercely intelligent. Documented cases show honey badgers using tools to escape enclosures, building ramps from logs and rocks, understanding locks and barriers, and problem-solving at a level that baffles even trained researchers. Intelligence, cunning, tactical awareness. In Sparta, these qualities were as essential as physical strength. Without balance between mind and body, no warrior could survive. The honey badger embodies that balance perfectly, moving between brute force and cerebral calculation with effortless ease. In battle, Spartans fought not just with spear and shield, but with a sharpened mind, reading their enemies, adapting their strategies, exploiting weakness. The honey badger, similarly, will fake retreats, feint attacks, and seek vital targets. It attacks the vulnerable parts of its enemies, the throat, the eyes, the genitals, with an understanding that brute strength alone is not enough to prevail. It fights to win. It fights to survive. And most importantly, it fights knowing that there is no cavalry coming to its rescue. It is the ultimate self-reliant warrior. Even death itself struggles to claim the honey badger. Bitten by cobras and puff adders, two of the most venomous snakes in the world, the honey badger will often collapse into unconsciousness, only to rise again hours later, shake off the poison, and continue its hunt. Its body, like its spirit, is built for war. Spartans knew that survival was not simply about avoiding death, but about refusing to surrender even in the jaws of it. The honey badger's refusal to yield to venom, claws, or fangs is a living echo of that same defiance. It is easy to admire greatness when it is clothed in grandeur, a lion's roar, a gladiator's parade. But true Spartan mindset is found in those who, without ceremony, without applause, fight every day because survival demands it. The honey badger does not know glory. It knows struggle. It does not seek praise. It seeks only victory. And in that brutal simplicity, it stands alongside the fiercest warriors history has ever known. The Spartan mindset was not built for comfort or easy conquest. It was built for those prepared to fight, bleed, and endure against odds that would crush lesser spirits. In the wild heart of Africa, the honey badger has proven itself a brother in arms to those same ideals. If there is a single creature that lives by the code of endurance, ferocity, intelligence, balance, and unbreakable will, it is this unlikely, savage titan, the honey badger, the Spartan of the wild. Order the Spartan mindset today and embark on your journey toward becoming the leader your world needs. Let your struggles forge you into a warrior of character and resolve. The Spartan Mindset provides a comprehensive and actionable guide to personal development and resilience. Available now for just $19.99. Purchase your copy from the links in the description box below and on this channel's homepage. Because your future begins with the right mindset. The Spartan Mindset.